In this video, you will learn how to navigate a new screen by creating a new route and pushing it to the navigator. We have already the two screens. One is home page and second one is home detail page. In our last video, I will show how to use the navigator to push and the navigator to pop by using the material page route. Let's first we have to define the routes. Define the routes by providing the additional properties of the material app constructor. In this constructor there is a two properties. First is initial route. That property defines which route of the app should start with, means what is the first page of this screen, and the routes property define the available named routes and the widget to be built when navigate to those routes. So first I will define the routes. There is only two pages, home page and home detail page. So our initial page will be home page. I will name with the slash. Title, home page, and app state. And the second name route will be home detail. Let's first set the initial route. I will set the initial route slash. So when I will launch this app, it will start with the home page. And now we have to remove this home because we are setting the routes. Now let's look into the home detail page. We will not change any code from here because we will be use the navigator to pop, and in a home page dot it will use the material push dot, but now we will use the named routes, the navigator dot push named, and the home detail page name is home detail slash home detail, which we have mentioned here in material app routes. Let's run this code in iOS. Open. Now application is running in iOS and Android both. Let's look in the app. This is the home page. It is the initial route which we had defined in main.dart. And when we click on the open detail page, it will call the navigator dot push named with passing this name on that method, and it launches that screen in both iOS and Android. And on a go back button press, we have called the navigator dot pop. Thank you for watching this.